I think our biggest goal is to get this off of the trailer. Huh? Hey, Lord. Hi.
Thank you for letting us get the tires fixed.
Thank you, Lord. What'd you say?
I told him thank you for letting us get
No, I mean before that.
leave the jack out, because we have to jack it up and put a block on it so it's not sitting on that tire. No, that's probably not a good idea to let it sit there flat, you know?
All right. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and move that truck out of the way. We got him out of here. We'll probably just take it up that road over there. Nobody lives up there, and nobody ever goes up there, and just drop the tractor there. In fact, I'm gonna take my Toyota up there and pull the tractor off with a chain, and then he can drive the truck right up on his tractor, and then he'll be ready to go after he gets through visiting and stuff. I think he's planning on maybe staying another night. We did do a little damage here, but this ain't nothing I can't fix with a rake and some grass seed and stuff like that. We can fix that up. Well, the Toyota did good. I was proud of it. Dragging that trailer and that other van did good. Made me happy to have a four-wheel drive that actually works. Not that I hadn't had one that worked before, but I've had a lot that didn't. So yeah, it's nice to have one that actually works. I'm gonna take my jacket off. I don't want to get in there. This jacket is nasty. Oh, what a beautiful day. Y'all hear God talking to me a while ago? He's rattling the thunder up there. In fact, Honey Baby's gone to town with Rusty's friend. I could get out here with a rake and doctor that up a little bit before she gets back. She won't notice it too much. And then after this, we're gonna go up to the gas station and get a gas station chili dog, which is, you know, that's high class eating right there. Get a gas station chili dog. You're doing good. I ought to write a song. That sounds like a song, like a semi-country western hillbilly redneck rockabilly song. Gas station, chili dogs, thinking of you. How about that? Sounds very musical, don't it? I love doing this stuff. This is actually a lot of fun. I have fun every time I get around Rusty Acres. Boy, that boy. He finds more ways to have fun. Ease up. You mean backwards, right? You mean backwards, right? Forward? Oh.
Video of the squat.
Huh?
I said, little video of the squat. Oh. Well, now once you put things on there, then yeah, that's what I mean. No, I mean, you can do all that. I'll stick with the time.
You want to try to skip? Yeah. It might take off with you. It's going to stop. I go slow.
You didn't cut.
No, there ain't much sweet there. Wind up damaging the girl part.
I don't want that square to be shooting in my area. That was some of my dad's shit before the cart down, you know. They just want to stop it. I can aim for it anyway, right?
Yeah.
Oh! You know how long it's been since you broke triple front set up on the tractor?
Probably about as long as that tractor had just about on.
Yeah.
Want my raincoat to sit on?
No, I just put it on there because thing full of mud.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm the readiest old fat guy's ever gonna be.
Yeah.
No. All right. Oh, I don't want to run into you.
You know, if you hadn't got stopped, I was going to have to outrun you all the way.
That's why I was yelling, go. Now look here. You might have to pull the shit top. I don't know. I doubt it. There's one here.
I'm broke.
Going in one, but as we get it running, it'll probably. I imagine when I drain the transmission.
I'll be talking about it.
Keep the rain out of the transmission, you know? Come on, foot. Now, I'm gonna get online. You might get some presents in the mail.
Is this my can or yours?
That's fine. You got a flashlight? Clean? You must get a new gas tank and cover it and put it in there. That's what I was thinking.
Let me get this out of the way.
Yes, sir.